City convenience with country charm right off Country Club RD is where the sparkling 3-bedroom, 1.5 bath rancher with a basement is in excellent condition. All appliances, including the washer and dryer, will remain with the house and are covered by the HSA home warranty for your first year of home ownership. Built by respected local real estate developer, Billy Satterfield, in 1957, the owners of this home maintained its quality with detailed care and pride. The kitchen cabinetry is solid wormy chestnut wood, and the original oak floors are believed to be under the Berber carpet, although the bedroom floors were never covered. Updates to the property include replacement windows, hot water heater, less than 1-year-old vinyl floors in the kitchen and baths, and a screened porch. The laundry room connections are on the main level. A boat storage shed and garden